Hi everyone, this is Shruti Bansal. In my previous video, I shared my experience with DXC Technology. So in this video, I'll be sharing my experience of Wipro Technologies. So it also consists of 3 rounds. First round was of written round. It consists of aptitude and coding round. In aptitude round, there were basic questions like around like 120 questions in 2 hours, and then it was coding round. Like it consists of 2 codes. For getting selected for next round, you have to run at least 1 code. So my both the code run successfully, and I got selected for the second round. So second round, it was a technical interview round. So that was very time consuming round because it takes almost 45 minutes. What he have asked me, like he asked me about each and everything I know. So first of all, he asked me to give a brief introduction about myself in 1 minute. So I just give my introduction, like my name, my CGPA, my college. Like in that interview, my interview was quite impressed with my CGPA because my CGPA was 8.1. So he asked me like if my CGPA is so good, that I must be very good in my branch. So I've told him to ask me. So he asked about 20 questions from my branch, and I was able to answer all the 20 questions very nicely. So he was very impressed by this thing. Then he came to IT background questions because the company I was doing interview was of IT background only. So he asked me about 15 questions from IT. Like first he asked me to choose which language I am comfortable with because I am not from CS background. So he asked me to do so I choose a language C and C++. First he start asking basic questions like what is oops concept, what's the difference between runtime error, compile time error. Like these are the very basic questions you have to prepare for. Then after this he asked me to write some simple codes. Like he asked me some basic array questions, and then he came to data structures. Like he asked me like if you have know anything about data structures. I've read the data structures was subject in my 6 semesters, so I've read that quite well. So I was able to answer all the questions, like except one question I was not able to answer, but in that too I had a small hint about what that concept is about. So he was quite okay with that also. Then he came about extracurricular activities, what I'm doing in this lockdown and all. So like I've told you in my previous video, like cooking, gardening, and also reading is my hobby because I kept on reading novels and all all the time. So I told that also. And yeah, that is it. And then the HR round get conducted. I was selected for the technical round. Then it was a HR round. In HR round, he was first, they asked about you are compatible with the work location. So I was compatible with that. Then he asked some scenarios like if you are to be a team leader, then how should you work. These are other questions. So I like answered them very nicely. Then he asked me how good you are at coding, like rate yourself. So I rate myself in the language I know as 8 out of 10. So he asked me the reason why I'm not rate myself like 10 out of 10. So I gave a like answer like it's always a scope of learning, right? You can't rate yourself 10 out of 10. Like there's always a scope of gaining things. So he was very impressed with that answer also. And he also asked me to rate my teachers. So I rate them great, like 9 out of 10. So he asked me why I rate 9 out of 10. So I tell him like I'm no one to rate my teachers. Like I rate them according to teaching, but there is always a scope of learning, right? And also I can't rate 10 out of 10 because it will not justify with that thing, like nobody is perfect. So that's the thing. Then I got selected from that. Then yeah, I have many more opportunities to come. So the next day I had my another interview round. So that's it. In the next video I'm going to tell you about the other companies like Cognizant and Accenture. Cognizant is the company I'm currently working with, so I'll be sharing it in the next video. Please do like and subscribe my channels, like it will really motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you.